In this video, I am going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about chapter number 3 of BSc Genetic Paper B, that is about plant breeding and its different methods. This video is very useful for all competitive exams of biology, so let's get started. Question number 1. Plant breeding is a technique of improving agricultural crops, food crops, fruit varieties, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Plant breeding is a technique of improving agricultural crops, fodder crops as well as fruit varieties. So correct answer is option D. Question number 2. What is the main objective of plant breeding? It improve quality, high yield value, develop resistance in plants, all of these. So correct answer is option D. The main objective of plant breeding is to improve quality, also you increase yield and develop resistance in plants. So correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 3. The modern plant breeding is started in 1850, 1888, 1900, 1930. So correct answer is option C. The modern plant breeding was started in 1900 with the rediscovery of Mendel laws by Correns and Fisher Mark. Question number 4. Plant breeding has close relationship with genetics, cytology, biotechnology, both A and B. So correct answer is option A. Plant breeding has close relationship with genetics because genetics, especially genetic engineering, has played important role in plant ब्रीडिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट इज़ द बेसिस ऑफ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन? एक्सटेंसिव कल्टीवेशन, प्लांट ब्रीडिंग, cultivation in black soil, none of these. So correct answer is option B. The basis of green revolution is plant breeding. Question number 6. Disease resistant plants can be obtained by colchicine treatment, breeding with wild relatives, hormone treatment, heat treatment. So correct answer is option B. The disease resistant plant varieties can be obtained by breeding with wild relatives. Question number 7. Offspring from a cross between two individuals that are differ in at least one character or trait is polyploid offspring, hybrid offspring, mutant offspring, varieties. So correct answer is option B. The offspring that is produced from the cross between two individuals that are differ in at least one character is hybrid offspring. Question number 8. Product of hybridization process is known as clone, heterozygote, hybrid, homozygote. So correct answer is option C. Hybrid is a product of hybridization process. Question number 9. Which of these is not used for crop improvement? Inbreeding, hybridization, mutation, introduction. So correct answer is option A. Inbreeding is not a method that is used for crop improvement. So correct answer is option A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और अगर आपको जेनेटिक्स बी के बाकी चैप्टर्स पर एमसीक्यूज़ की वीडियोस चाहिए तो अभी जेनेटिक्स पेपर बी की प्लेलिस्ट विज़िट करें जिसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. A man-made yellow polyploid crop is bread wheat, Zea maize, triticale, sugarcane. So correct answer is option C. Triticale is a man-made yellow polyploid crop. Question number 11. Crossing between the plants of same variety is known as interspecies cross, intergenic cross, intervarietal cross, intravarietal cross. So correct answer is option D. The crossing between the plants of same variety is known as intravarietal cross. Question number 12. Which of the following effect is not produced by colchicine? DNA duplication, chromosomes duplication, centriole formation, promotes cell division. So correct answer is option. This question must be which of the following is the effect produced by colchicine. So correct answer is option B. The effect of colchicine is to increase the number of chromosomes. So correct answer must be chromosome duplication. Question number 13. Which is the oldest method of plant breeding? Hybridization, selection, mutation, introduction. So correct answer is option B. Selection is the most oldest method of plant breeding. Question number 14. Change in chromosome number is called polyploidy, chromosome mutation, gene mutation, somatic mutation. So correct answer is option A. Change in chromosome number is known as polyploidy. Question number 15. Who coined the term heterosis for the first time? Shull, Huxley, Robert, Archibald. So correct answer is option A. H.G. Shull in 1908 he described the term heterosis for the first time. Question number 16. Mating between closely related individuals is hybridization, selection, inbreeding, introduction. So correct answer is option C. Inbreeding is the process of mating between the closely related individuals. Question number 17. Inbreeding increases the frequency of homozygote, heterozygote, genetic diversity, genetic linkage. So correct answer is option A. Inbreeding increases the frequency of homozygote while it reduces the frequency of heterozygote. Question number 18. Emasculation is a part of hybridization, clonal selection, mass selection, acclimatization. So correct answer is option A. Emasculation, which is also known as removal of stamens from the bisexual flower, is the process of hybridization. Question number 19. Pure line breeds refers to heterozygosity, homozygosity, linkage, self-assortment. So correct answer is option B. Pure line breeds refers to the homozygous trait or they brings homozygosity. Question number 20. The production of plant without fertilization is done by transplantation, vegetative propagation, hybridization, none of these. So correct answer is option B. The production of plants without fertilization is done by the process of vegetative propagation. Question number 21. Plant breeding by heterosis require selection, it require transformation, it require mutation, it require crossing. So correct answer is option D. The plant breeding by the process of heterosis require crossing between two different individuals. Question number 22. Who proposed the term pure line selection? Johnson, Synod and Dunn's method, Darlington. So correct answer is option A. Johnson proposed the term pure line selection for the first time. Question number 23. Pure line selection is also called as pedigree selection, progeny selection, single line selection, all of these. So correct answer is option D. Pure line selection is also known as pedigree selection, progeny selection, or single line selection. But more precisely or specifically, it is known as single line selection. Question number 24. Clonal selection technique is not useful for sugarcane, wheat, potato, onion. So correct answer is option B. Clonal selection technique is not useful for wheat process. Rather, the wheat is increased or breeds by the process of polybladding. Question number 25. A cross between open pollinated variety and pure line is double cross, synthetic cross, top cross, none of these. So correct answer is option C. A cross between open pollinated variety and pure line is top cross or back cross. Question number 26. Experiments on plant hybridization was written by Soughton, Mendel, Darwin, De So correct answer is option B. The experiments on plant hybridization were written by Gregor John Mendel. Question number 27. Increased vigor of hybrids over parents results from the selection, heterosis, mutation, hybridization. So correct answer is option B. The increased vigor, which is also known as strength of hybrid over its parents, is result from the process of heterosis. Question number 28. Material which is used in somatic hybridization is indole acetic acid, polyethylene glycol, starch, 2,4 dinitro. So correct answer is option B. Polyethylene glycol is a material that is used in somatic hybridization process. Question number 29. Which induces mutation in higher plant: red light, gamma rays, streptomycin, cycloheximide. So correct answer is option B. Gamma rays induce mutation in higher plants. Question number 30. Hereditary mutation in plants are produced by gibberellic acid, colchicine, X-rays, DDT. So correct answer is option C. The hereditary mutation in plants are produced by the X-rays. Question number 31. Which is used for induced mutagenesis in plant crops: X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays, alpha rays. So correct answer is option B. Gamma rays is used for induced mutagenesis in plant crops. Question number 32. The superiority of hybrid over its parents is known as heterosis, hybrid progeny, hybrid vigor, hybridization. So correct answer is option C. Hybrid vigor or hybrid strength is the superiority of any hybrid over its parents. So correct answer is option C. Question 33. Triticale is a hybrid that is formed when wheat combines with maize, barley, rye, bean. So correct answer is option C. Triticale is a hybrid between wheat as well as rye. Question number 34. New varieties of plants can be produced from selection and hybridization, mutation and selection, mutation and introduction, selection and introduction. So correct answer is option A. New varieties of plants can be produced by selection and hybridization process. Question number 35. Method of mass selection is applied on crops, self-pollinated crops, cross-pollinated crops, both A and B, none of these. So correct answer is option C. The method of mass selection is applied on both self-pollinated as well as cross-pollinated crops. So correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 36. Which of the following statement is true for heterosis? Hybrid that is produced in heterosis is vigor. Hybrid neither weak nor vigorous. Hybrid weak and vigorous. Hybrid weak. So correct answer is option A. The hybrid that is produced in process of heterosis, they are vigorous or they have hybrid vigor strength. Question number 37. Mutation that is induced by chemical mutagen is called somatic mutation, chemical mutation, induced mutation, physical mutation. So correct answer is option C. The mutation that is induced by chemical mutagens is known as induced mutation. So correct answer is option C. Question number 38. Which plant breeding method is applied on self-pollinated crop? Hybridization, clonal selection, mass selection, pure line selection. So correct answer is option D. Pure line selection is a plant breeding method that is applied on self-pollinated crops. Question number 39. The somatic hybrids can be produced by protoplast fusion, tissue culture, pollen culture, hybridoma process. So correct answer is option A. The somatic hybrids can be produced from the process of protoplast fusion. Question number 40. The most effective chemical mutagen is methane, carbon tetrasulfide, guanine, caffeine. So correct answer is option B. The most effective chemical mutagen is carbon tetrasulfide. Question number 41. The protoplasts of two different species are fused in micropropagation, somatic hybridization, anther culture, monoclonal propagation. So correct answer is option B. The protoplast of two different species are fused in the process of somatic hybridization. Question 42. Widely used tool in genetic engineering of plants breeding is protoplast fusion, agrobacterium mediation, transposon mediation, microinjection. So correct answer is option B. The widely used tool in genetic engineering of plant breeding is agrobacterium mediation. Question number 43. Organism that is used for gene transfer in higher plants is E. coli, Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Acetobacter, Bacillus thuringiensis. So correct answer is option B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the organism that is used for gene transfer in higher plants. Question number 44. Somaclonal variation can be produced by mutagenesis, tissue culture cells, gamma rays, sexual reproduction. So correct answer is option B. Somaclonal variation can be produced from the tissue culture cells, that is also known as callus. Question number 45. The Thai plasmid are present in Agrobacterium, E. coli, Bacillus, bacteriophage. So correct answer is option A. Type plasmid are present in Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So correct answer is option A. Question number 46. Which is not true for the effect of polyploidy? It increases in size, it increases genetic variation, it increases the fertility, slow growth rate. So correct answer is option C. High fertility is not true for the effect of polyploidy because polyploidy reduces the fertility. Question number 47. Most notable and fast successful hybrid was bread wheat, pimento, maize, barley. So correct answer is option C. Maize is the first notable and fast successful hybrid that is produced in USA for the first time. Question number 48. Somatic hybridization of tomato and potato produces a hybrid that is maize, triticale, pimento, wheat. So correct answer is option C. Pimento is a hybrid that is produced by the process of somatic hybridization between tomato and potato. Question number 49. The DNA transferred by Agrobacterium is aDNA, bDNA, zDNA, tDNA. So correct answer is option D. The DNA that is transferred by Agrobacterium tumefaciens in the host cell is tDNA. Question number 50. Factor which affect the in vitro cultivation of plants, genotype, expellant source, culture condition, all of these. So correct answer is option D. All these three factors, genotype, expellant source, culture condition, they affect the in vitro cultivation of plants. Question 51. Which is an example of octoploid crop? Tobacco, oat, strawberry, maize. So correct answer is option C. Strawberry is an example of octoploid crop. तो ये थे 51 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट प्लांट ब्रीडिंग एंड इट्स डिफरेंट मेथड्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट विज़िट करें जिसके अंदर मैंने जेनेटिक्स बी के बाकी चैप्टर्स पर भी एमसीक्यूज़ की वीडियोस बनाई हुई हैं।